What a grand thing it is to be loved. What a far grander thing it is to love. The heart becomes heroic by dint of passion. It is no longer composed of anything but what is pure. If there did not exist someone who loved, the sun would become extinct.
I think you are good, gifted, lovely. A fervent, a solemn passion is conceived in my heart. It leans to you, draws you to my center and spring of life. Wrap my existence about you, and kindling in pure, powerful flame, fuses you and me in one.
Just like these two chemicals, hydrochloric acid and sodium hydroxide, Jeremy and Daisy are two separate individuals with different chemical properties. They each have their own lives, attributes, and properties that will yield different results based on their placement and timing. As the two chemicals are combined, a whole new set of properties are created just as the life of Jeremy and Daisy are becoming new and different from the previous individual lives they once were a part of.
On August 6th, 2014, we went on our waffle date. And since then, we've never looked back. 1,760 days have passed since our waffles, and my favorite part of each one of them has been the time with you. I cannot believe I found someone as beautiful and perfect as you. You are my dream come true. You are everything that is lovely and beautiful in my life, and spending the rest of it with you would be my perfect adventure.
Jeremy, I can't believe we are standing here today. I feel so blessed to be in this spot among these redwoods, surrounded by our loved ones, but most importantly, with you by my side. I promise to communicate and work alongside you as we build our future together. Let our adventure continue to infinity and beyond.
They're going to let this whiskey age, and in a year on their anniversary, we'll be drinking some of it together. It is now my complete honor to pronounce you as husband and wife. What God has brought together, may no man separate. Jeremy, you may kiss your bride.
Daisy, I love you. You are my sister, my Ann Perkins. Jeremy, you're family now. We are all so incredibly happy that you found each other.
Okay, we got a dance floor outside, we got the lights. Have a lot of fun, guys. This night's for everybody, all right? Thank you very much for coming.
So thank you so much, Jeremy. God bless you guys, and all the best. Cheers to this amazing couple and all the adventures that you guys will be able to have together.